Well, actually, we were surprised because there are some acknowledgement receipt that are not even, walang mga signatures, walang pangalan, or blanco yung ano. So, paano nila tinanggap yung ganun?
Paano nga ho? Ano ho ba ang rules sa COA?
Well,
Or is
maybe
there-
because of the volume, no? So baka at that time, nung sinabmit sa kanila, syempre hindi mo naman agad makikita isa-isa. 'Di ba? So that's why siguro until now, may mga notice of disallowance, may mga nilabas pang ganun ng COA. In
Right.
fairness to COA.
Yeah, because could the notice of disallowance, could these ARs, are the ARs part of the notice of disallowance, sir?
Dun sa ano, sa 2022, December 2022,
Si 125.
si 125.
125. Ito
yes.
pong mga acknowledgement receipts na may piatos o piati.
Halo-halo kasi yan eh.
Yun na nga po medyo
Yes,
magulo
kaya
din.
medyo magulo eh. Because of the volume, could you imagine, 612.5 million, lahat po yan ang sinubmit is AR,
Yeah.
or acknowledgement
There
receipt.
has to be a better way, sir, to be able to ferret out or authenticate, maybe not even authenticate, but at least allow the COA to have the capacity to look at them and maybe even say this is unacceptable because I can understand the name. I mean, dadating po kayo sa gantong klaseng investigasyon at pati kayo at COA, hindi po magkasundo kung sino po yung pangalan doon sa acknowledgement
Kaya nga,
receipt.
that's why I think it took them 6 months to be able to issue notice of disallowance,
Yeah.
notice of suspension. Kaya medyo
Mahirap din talaga
matagal
trabaho
din.
ng
In
COA.
fairness to the COA, medyo
Right.
nahirapan din sila.
Yeah.
Because of the volume.
And they're not to blame for you
And they're not to
at
blame.
all. Opo.
Yes.
Because nag-notice of disallowance naman sila.
Yes.